Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox has encountered an unexpected error issue on Windows. So if Roblox won't launch and keeps showing this error, just follow along step by step and you'll be able to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. In the Run box, type %local app data %, then press Enter. A new folder will open. From here, find the Roblox folder and open it. Next, open the Versions folder. Now, if you see more than one version folder, make sure you open the latest one. Inside that folder, look for the file called Roblox Player Beta. Once you find it, click on the address bar at the top of the folder, select the full path, and copy it. Now, click on the search bar in Windows and type Windows Security, then open it from the results. Click on App and Browser Control, then scroll down and select Exploit Protection Settings. Here, click on Program Settings, then choose Add a Program to Customize. Select Choose Exact File Path, paste the path you copied earlier in File Name box, and click Open. You should now see Roblox Player Beta added. Select it and click Open. Now, scroll down until you find Control Flow Guard, also known as CFG. Enable Override System Settings and turn it off. Next, scroll down again and look for Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. If it's unchecked, check Override System Settings and turn it off as well. Once everything is set, click Apply, then click Yes to confirm. Now, restart your PC. After your computer restarts, launch Roblox again and the unexpected error should be gone. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Roblox has encountered an unexpected error should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tech fixes.